Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lucy again with a new video, and I know I haven't been here for a while already, but I am gonna do another video explaining all that. But for now, I do have another unboxing for Boxycharm. I just really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription where you pay $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. So it's based on makeup, skincare, hair products, and all of that. So this is what the box looks like, and it looks like this once you open it. It does come with a little card where it tells you what you got and the prices. So the theme for this month is all natural. So the first item is this Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This is what it looks like, and this retails for $35. This mask is enriched with nutrient-dense super greens, vitamin C, and an active prebiotic to leave skin looking smooth, soft, and radiant. Next, we have this Butter Lindon Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette, and these are the shades. This palette does retail for $32. Next is this Luxie 3-eye brush set, and this retails for $30, and they are pretty dirty because I use them for an Instagram makeup tutorial, but I really love these brushes. Those brushes do retail for $30. Next, we have this Luna by Luna lip gloss. The lip gloss retails for $18. Next, we have this Appeal lip liner. And this retails for $21. So in total for this box is $136, and you're only paying $21 a month. I mean, this is why I love Boxycharm. So this is the end of the video. I just really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we're almost at 500 subscribers, and I am gonna have another giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's it.